Them lock the body but them can't lock the soul. Jah write me journey upon an ancient scroll. Babylon build wall with steel and stone. Still every seed know fi find it all. Me walk barefoot on the burning sun. Still feel the blessing from the Father's hand. No man rich but them spirit poor. A freedom starts when you want no more. Freedom deeper than the open sky. No chain can hold I. Freedom blazing like the morning sun. Jah children rise till the battle done. Freedom hear the lion roar. Love are the key, not one no more. Yeah. Hey. Life is a river, no fight the stream. Every suffering I a greater dream. The mountain I teach patience true. Every sunrise make the heart renew. Them sell illusion, them package fear, but truth still breathing on the island air. Me nah bow down for silver nor gold. A righteous heart worth more than gold. Hear me now. Every tear become a crystal light. Every dark reveal the stars at night. Every burden shape the stronger tree. Every trial unlock destiny. Jah never late. Time I am servant from eternity. Walk humble, speak true, live consciously. Hey, me ancestors sing through the bamboo breeze. Whisper wisdom through the coconut trees. Them say picnic, guard your meditation. Love is the highest revolution. No judge another by color nor race. Every heartbeat carry Jah embrace. King and beggar dust become one. Only righteousness can undone final. Inside every living breath, love conquer hatred, conquer death. Lift your eyes and see the kingdom live inside of thee. Chant till morning light. Jah guide the weak and bless the right. Hey, Selah, no chain, no prison, no system. Can't stop the light. Jah plant in I and I. Walk with love, walk with truth. Freedom never dead, it lives forever.